appeared for both academics and general, and since there are two scores, it's a little difficult for me to remember. I'll tell you the scores. In my academic, I scored 8 in listening and 7.5 in the other 3 modules, and for my general, I scored 9 in listening and 7.5 in reading and speaking, and writing 7 bands. So that goes to overall 8 bands in general and 7.5 in academic. So I'm Namrata Bhardwaj. I am from Valsad and I'm a jewelry designer by profession. I am located in Mumbai, and I prepared for my IELTS staying in Mumbai. I've chosen to move to Canada basically for my further studies, and I've applied for project management, and let's hope things work out. It feels great because I had not imagined in the first go I'll be able to score that much, although I had hoped for it, but talking to Utkarsh made me gain some confidence, and finally I could achieve it. For me, I am kind of an introvert, so speaking was a little tough for me, and writing was pretty good, and reading and listening were okay. So to be honest, I saw this advertisement that Utkarsh had posted, and it said some bands in 15 days, and I got really excited about it, and then I texted him that I wanted to do this, and I wanted to know when can I start, and immediately I got a response, you can start right now, and as far as I remember it was a Sunday, and I began my preparation that day itself, and I think within 15-ish days we finished the preparations, and it wasn't that difficult how I thought. So basically I had to give my academic for applying to my university, and for general, and I gave general for applying for PR. So basically I'm moving to study initially, and then let's hope I get to work in my field, and if things work better, I'll go for a PR also. I spent most of the time practicing for speaking, and also I spent quite some time on writing practice, because that was also a very crucial part of it, and I think around 2 to 3 hours a day was good enough for both. So Utkarsh had sent me videos of his material and of the classes that he used to take, and since I was not physically present for any of the class, I was not located in the place where classes were happening, so he used to send me videos, and I used to attend virtual classes, and the best part of those videos was the way he was explaining everything, and very slowly and steadily, and some videos he used to give funny examples, and some I had watched in 1.5 times speed, and they were really very helpful, and they were very friendly kind of toned. Like, it was nothing too professional or very rigid. They were very friendly videos. So one more thing I would like to add is the speaking tests that they conducted, and they were on phones, and it was really convenient for me not being in the place, that I could take those tests and I could get myself evaluated, and it gave me a reality check kind of a thing to know where I stand, and it was very helpful for me. Yes, definitely. I would say if anybody wants to score good in IELTS in a very short span of time, then he is the one. You have to approach Utkarsh and you will get it done in one go, I must say. I had known them since quite some time, but I had never thought that I'll be giving IELTS or I'll be requiring to get this kind of a training from them. But then all of a sudden I made a plan to shift to Canada, and so the first thing that came to my mind was him, and I approached him. I sent him a text and immediately he responded, and all the study materials was so handy, and it was a very good experience for me.